The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's ready for a great day. Good morning, Burl, Borneo, Matt, John. Nice to see a nice crowd here. To get ready to try and pass the Apex 50K. Pass or cancel day. I did $2,500 on it yesterday. $2,500. As it sits now, I need... Hold on. I posted this in Discord. I need $1,469 net profit. And I still have almost full amount of drawdown. $2,480 of drawdown available. So we are going to go for it. Let's look at the markets overnight, which have been falling. Just broke the 100 EMA. Started off with a 21-point candle down that first hour. And its full range has been just about 40 points in the downward direction. We're back right now teetering on 4,000. Teetering. Copper. About 100 ticks. Also to the downside mostly. Gold also to the downside. Everything falling. About 17 points to the downside. Not everything is falling. Ultra Bond says, hello, I'm up. Oh, good morning to you, Ultra Bond. A little less than a point of, well, about a point of, a little more than a point of range. Sorry, Ultra Bond. Crude oil. Up and down. Spiky. A little over a point in range. And the last, but not least, natural gas continues to fall. So many people were predicting that natural gas was going to hit 10 or 12 or 15 this winter. And it's down to 3. About 170 ticks down. Bitcoin dipped overnight, well under 23,000. That's trying to come back up now. That's where we sit or stand or whatever body posture you choose to take. Excellent, LSD. Glad to see you, man. Or Louise. I guess I should call you Louise. You're actually using your name here. Glad to see you. So let's go for it. Yesterday, like I said, I did 2,500. And it's weird because, I had nothing to lose. Basically, 2 days and had to make whatever I had to make. And I was taking my setups without hesitation because I had nothing to lose. And I was winning almost every setup. Now, I'd still have my trouble holding on the winners. I would have passed yesterday if I had just held on for a full 2 points a couple of times instead of jumping out at, getting all jittery. But taking the actual trades, all was good. Which is the mentality I need. Good morning, JC. So, we're choppy. This seems like, this does not seem like the mornings we've had Monday and Tuesday. Seems like the market's moving. Of course, as I say that, it'll probably stagnate now, but we'll see. It's kind of slowing down here a bit. News this morning that we need to be aware of. Wait till financial juice loads. There we go. Nothing. Bank of at 10 o'clock, the Bank of Canada's rate decision. That's their FOMC basically. They come out their interest rate decision. It's 10 o'clock Eastern time, and at 10:30 Eastern we have crude oil. And that's it this morning. So no big news catalysts until 10. Tomorrow we have a bunch though. We have U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. GDP quarter over quarter, and U.S. durable goods. And U.S. new home sales. Tomorrow should be a rockin' and rollin'. Rockin' and a rollin' up and a doo. Got it choppy now. So let me get my so this one would not have worked. Oh, maybe it hasn't stopped me out yet. Or if I had taken that trade, I mean. Yeah, we're trying to head to the upside. It's an upside, girl. Okay, I gotta get my NinjaTrader set up. I'm gonna start off with 5 contracts. I was doing 10. After stream yesterday, I was to do that. What I did, that was 10 contracts. Gonna start with 5. I need 3 wins on 5 contracts. If I don't take any losses, 3 2-point wins. Put it that way. Is that right? 5, 10, 6, yeah, something like that. I did the math last night. It's early morning math. Not my thing. Remember, folks, if you expect to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Hey, I apologize for not getting back to you yesterday. Let me know where you want to chat at, and we can figure out a time sometime today. And did you want to do like a text chat or a voice chat? Okay, so we're popping back down here. Trigger candle. Good morning, glitch. My cat is saying hello. Right now we're choppy. Well, what do you use, Matt? Do you use Discord at all, or Skype, or Zoom, or whatever it is? You tell me what you have. Discord's the easiest for me, but if you don't have Discord, then Skype or Zoom. Zoom. We're still under the 100. Does look like it's trying to come up here. Up, down, down, up, up. Left, right, A, B, start. Yeah, I've never used WhatsApp or WeChat. So we're hanging around this 4,000 level, or a little bit above it, 4,001.25. It's for, market likes to battle around those big round numbers. So the fact that we're kind of choppy here isn't surprising until it breaks one way or the other. One way or the other, it's gonna break ya. Yeah, yes you were. Chef, you were very right. Up, down, up, down. It's peaking under. Not sure what it wants to do here. Really quickly, I gotta edit my ATM. I should have taken that one, but my ATM wasn't right. It keeps coming up with 1 instead of 5. This one would have been good. Well, I shouldn't say good. It's going the right way. Still spotty here. Let's see if it gets below. Well, it wicked down the 39.98 there. Our low of the day, 39.97.25. All right, glitch sounds good. Same thing I'm doing. Basically, I'm looking for 2 points for 5 contracts. Honestly, I should set that up with one runner. So, 2.4 contracts with a trailing on one. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. So while this is bopping around, give me a couple minutes here to reconfigure my ATM here. I remember how. There we go. 4. And then 1. The stop loss of 8. And let's trail that. Custom. So, trail. Profit trigger 8. Stop loss 4. So go at 1 point. And let it move up every 2. Okay, there we go. Now we got a trailing stop on it, so maybe we can catch a runner. Best place to catch a runner is a marathon. There we go. Ready to rock and roll. So, right now we're choppy. Gotta wait for the right entries. And we're sitting right on 4,000. Everything's kind of choppy except for UV. UV continues to try and head up. Wait, what do you mean you'll copy my trades, JC? It's just registered in my head. No one should ever copy my trades until I, like, copy Ace's trades. Hey, Carib? On the trader career path, the TCP you do, not on the Gauntlet minis. Yeah, that's something that is started this month. And those can accumulate too. Like if you're not, if you don't pass in the first month, but you don't need to reset, then, you can keep building them up until you pass or cancel. Looking for 144.04. Yeah, that would not be me. G-Man, Ace. Not too far off there. Ultra bond market opens about 30 minutes. Might see a little bump up until then. What is what, Burl? Oh, TCP, you now have you get a free reset on the TCP, and like you can accumulate them if you don't pass. So, like say it takes you 3 months or whatever, or, however long, you can have more than one in your belt. There's the move down. Ooh, that might be breaking to the downside. Good morning, Busy. Oh, Chef. Discord's still not automatically sending the live streams to that channel. If you have a chance to look at that later, not when you're trading, it's no hurry. Yeah, you get one a month. So if it takes you a while to pass, but you're not needing to reset, you're just kind of grinding, and then you end up blowing it, and you might, and you blow it a second time, you might have two build up where it's something they started this month. Still not. I mean, there was a little bit, but it got right down to that same wick where that one got down. So right now, that area is a support area, 39.98 half. So this is what we call chape. 4,000, big battleground right now. A big, 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 big battleground. NQ battling around 11.6. I'm sorry, 11.760. There's a little boost up. Now we're trying to head to the upside. Can it break through the 100 EMA? That's the question. Now, my strat says if it breaks the 100 EMA, I should take a long, but I don't think I want to do that here, honestly. So if I had entered short there, that would have been bad. Now we're heading to the long side. We did break the 100, and it's trying to push up. Back up to 4,002. Into the bands. Let's take those bands off, though. A clearer picture. Did hit that third band. Might be a last-ditch effort here before it goes down further. Kind of like here. See, it came up, down, up. Finished at 4,475. And then came back down for another few points. I don't have my music on. Fix that. There we go. Does look kind of like a reversal candle there. Yeah, I got up into that third band. That's a good sign of a reversal. Just not sure how much it won. But if it rejects off this 100 EMA because it's back below it and goes back down to below the 20, I will take that. I will. That was good. I did not take this short here. I was afraid of. Still trying to rise up. Remember, a lot of trading is waiting. Waiting for that setup that suits you, that you're looking for. Not trying to rush it. Not trying to rush it. Morning, CBR. How's the day going? Ouch. At 4,002. And we're watching and waiting here, waiting for the opportunities to arise. You can see yesterday I had the chart marked off. I thought I did. There it is. I guess I stopped. Oh, no, it was last night that I was marking off. But, there was lots of opportunities yesterday. All the purples would have been winning trades. If I had taken them, all the blues would have been losing trades. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 trades that would have won at least 2 points in the profit. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, and then 10 losses, 7, and that would have been net 14 wins or 28 points by taking every trade. And obviously, you're never going to get every trade, but so we're just kind of blah, 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 blah. Got back up to 4,003, so we're getting lower highs. Dope, 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 dope. But our 20 and 100 started to converge. All quiet today. There's the top of the hour. Let's see if our volatility increases. Morning, Sid. How you doing? There's a potential short. Doing all right? Okay, short here. Why is it my... Okay, technical issues. The reason my window's not showing up. Oh. Okay, aftermath of this trade, I'll work on why the NinjaTrader window is not showing up. I'm in at 4,025. 5 contracts going short. My stops right there above the 100 EMA. I'm up 5 ticks. Getting a little whippy there at 39.9850. My target 39.9825. It's 2 ticks away. Not wanting to give it to me though. Patience. Patience keeps getting within 1 tick of my target. Patience. I'm short, chef. Short order, chef. Ah, come on. Moving the target on the 4 up 1 tick because it keeps getting down to that 50. So we're going to try and just go 1 tick away. I will show this trade as soon as I possibly can. It's sitting there not filling me. There we go. Target hit, moving down. Stop moves into profit. $4,000.25, chef. There we go. We're trailing. Boom. Yeah, great. NinjaTrader's not showing up at all. Even if I hit scene, it's not. Oh, I know why. Let's move it over there. That helps. There we go. There's the chart. Move this. Or there it was, the chart. There it is. Still trailing. Looks like it might knock me out here. My trailing is at the same price I would have got out at if I just got 5. So let's see what we get, if we can get anything more here. 39.97 quarter, which matches this low over here. It's got to break that in order to go further. I think it's going to knock me out. Let's see. Nope, out. So there we go. End of the trade. I think it was 500 bucks. Let's take a gander here. Make sure I'm right. Yeah, oh, 450. Thought it would have been 500. 450. Well, I'll take that. Oh, that's right, because I moved. See, I shouldn't have moved my target there. It got to my target, and I just got to be more patient. But so there we go, 450. So now we just need slightly over $1,000. We'll wait for our next entry. I just see again. I took my trade. Trigger candle right there, boom, and earned its purple. Why did we got this consolidation. It finally broke to the upside, but failed, lower high. Came back down, straight through. Took the trade, took it to the downside. I think it's going to move further down, but, I'm not trying to. I could have moved the stop to break even instead of trailing behind by one, but I'm happy. Now, give me a minute while I try and figure out why NinjaTrader isn't showing up. Maybe I can do a new chart here. Hold on. This is why I don't like to use NinjaTrader on the streams, because sometimes the window, like my streaming software, won't pick up the windows for whatever reason. And I don't know why. So let's try this again. I use Streamlabs glitch. Hi, Dakota. Thank you, Luis. There we go. Now I got the chart. There we go. Okay, so we should not have chart issues anymore. So I'm at after commissions. I don't have the commission template in for Apex. I got to do that sometime, but it's showing my balance now after commissions at 51,960. I need, of course, 53 even. So I need 1,040 bucks or so. So we'll see. And we did. I looks like it's curled back up to the EMA here. Thank you, John. We are back up to the EMA, trying to pop back up. Right back up to where I entered that trade, actually, I believe. No, I don't remember. No, I entered here, duh. So we'll mark that. I mean, I already marked it, but we'll mark it as a winner. Now we sit back and wait. Ultra Bond opens in about 10 minutes. Pull back. Crude oil. What's crude oil doing while we have a moment? Crude oil looks choppy too. Almost looks like the ES chart. I want to thank everyone for being here this morning. A lot of people here early. Maybe I need to make exciting posts each day for the stream. You know, I write up a different thing each day announcing the stream, and today I announced the fact that I was going to be going for this today. And it's trying to pull back. Now, if it gets back below, that's a trigger. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but it is a trigger. But so far, that's a nope. And remember, we did hit, you know, we basically double bottomed over here. So that's also something we should keep in the back of our minds. Down, up, down move there. This might be trying to get momentum to the upside. So what was rare about that last trade is I got in with no slippage. I took a market order and it went in right in with. Usually I start down by a tick with the market orders, but somehow I started in with no slippage. All right, chef, I'll keep that in mind. Back up to the 100 EMA. Now, I don't know. I gotta study the 100 EMA. You know, you can see here the 100 EMA broke, and then it only went a point and a half here when it also broke. It didn't work. So I'm not trusting the 100 EMA break for an upside, even here with a failure. Right now, I'm looking at that as a yep, and look at it, touched it and then fired back down. Taking the short again. There we go. And the chart shows up. Now we may just give that whole last move back if it stops me out. Fortunately, I'm running a 1-to-1 R, which I don't like. But that's the one reason I had always you know, didn't like ES because to me it was hard to find a better than 1-to-1 R. Still working on that. NQ seemed to be easier for that. If this gets back above the 100, I mean, I'm sorry, the 20, I might just get out. We'll see. I admit I'm not feeling this here. This could be a higher low. Yeah, I've been giving it all back. So the excitement that I had on that last win, I bet you is going to take me back. And in fact, it's probably going to take me back a little bit more because I moved my... Yep, I'm out. So that did not work. That was a lower high. And now we're back down. Now we're down on the day by 50 bucks. So I mean one for two with a 50-buck loss. Tried to take my setups, but I should have been more cautious there. Laced eye. So back to basically where I started. It's coming right back down again, tickling that 100 EMA. Yep. Maybe I just needed a wider stop. I stopped out at 4,050. 4,000.50. And it only went one more tick after, and it's coming back down. This is another trigger candle back down. This is going to be one I'm going to regret not taking, I bet. We'll mark it. We'll mark it to buy a fatty S. Home again, home again. Diggity des. Good morning, G. It's snowing here, G. Nice job, G. Yeah, correct. But and normally, I mean, normally I only run one contract, but today I'm doing this where I either need to pass or cancel this evaluation, and I need to make 1,500. So I'm doing the 5 contracts. Normally I only do one contract. The better stop there, honestly, though, you're right. It would have been above that 100 EMA instead of like right at it. The FG, and then we also have the Bank of Canada rate decision today. Being choppy. Hanging around just under 4,000 again. It does not want to break away from this level. Big round number. Little over an hour to the bell. One win, one loss. Got excited there for a minute when I got the win. We're just chopping around. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. I can only do 10, Crypticon. Good morning. How's your kid doing, Crypticon? I use what's called the EMA or SMA slope indicator and alarm by Sanghooney. Good. Glad to hear that, Crypticon. Yep. So I didn't give this the... Actually, if I re-entered here, it looks like this was turning into a winning trade. I did not re-enter. And looks like it's going to miss. Let's see if it breaks through this support. Glad to hear you got some sleep there, too. Again, just bounced on that level. Let's see if it can break it. So, mistake was not re-entering. Got up to EMA, again bounced off of it. I didn't trust it then. I'm giving it its purple too soon, but nice job, Crypticon. There we go. There's the break. So that would have been a winning trade. I just didn't give it the opportunity. I didn't take it. There'll be more. That would have been beautiful because that would have been running right now. Down to 39.96, low a day. So once bitten, twice shy, and that shyness took away my opportunity. And actually, it gave me another opportunity right here, and I should have that one. I definitely should have taken also. And around 39.98.75 would have also given a 2-point win. So two different opportunities I did not take. I became a spectator. So we shall survive. We shall get by. We shall survive. So we're doing good here. So we approach the 8:30 time. Morning, RJ. Oh, Ultra Bond market. What did the Ultra? Oh, Ultra Bond does not look like it's really waking up yet. Best part of waking up is a few ticks in my cup. Back up to the EMA. How are you doing today, RJ? You mean 5 ticks, right, Chef? Are you it's trying to come back down now? Nine 39.97 right now. 750. I thought you were on the sidelines today, Chef. Or are you doing sim? Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Sim trading, good thing. No G-Man so far today. Does look like it wants to continue coming down here. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Pushing down. Have fun, Crypticons. Take it easy. Don't give yourself a heart attack shoveling the snow. I personally use a flamethrower. No, I don't. Back down to the lows of the day. 39.95.75. And new lows. Near Chicago. I'm here in the middle of Illinois, Decatur, Illinois, and we're getting snow as well. 4 to 7 inches they called for. I don't think we're going to get that much, but maybe. Ooh, big drop here, down to 94. Good call by Chef here, I think. Yep, Chef. He entered Sim at 750. It's down then Q 742. That's a good 8 points. So again, I made a mistake not entering this here short, but we'll get another chance. Good morning, John. Yep, biggest snow of the year so far. I think we got more on the horizon, but I'm not sure. Damn it. Chance of snow on Tuesday again. Yeah, I should have had a slide. When I entered on this one, I should have put my stop of the EMA. Although you can see it actually did wick. If I move this line, it wicked one tick above the EMA. So probably would have still been knocked out anyway. The 100 EMA. But once it didn't, yeah. I mean, there was sense. This opportunity and that opportunity, and really this opportunity, gave me 3 opportunities to get back in, and I did not. Now, the sucky part of that win, the earlier win, as you see, is continuing to drop now, down to 39.91. Apex has the constantly trailing drawdown. So that earlier win moved my drawdown up by 500, well, 450 bucks. Actually, probably about 500 bucks because that runner that came back and hit me. So I'm at the same spot I was when I started the day, but my drawdown's $500 tighter. Great job, Chef. The market's continuing to drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Yeah. Morning, Zabak. Less than an hour till the bell. Alright, folks, if I don't either hit my target or blow the account before the stream is over, I will continue trading after stream. And I will update the progress on Twitter and Discord. But again, I just need 3 good trades. So we're going to hope we're going to get them this morning. I mean, this would have been a great trade. And, you know, I think my, you know, even with the runner, I mean, my, you know, trailing would have knocked me out of this anyway. Oh, when they got this. Now, when you see this consolidation and a strong candle down like that, it could also be an entry point, but just not part of my plans at this point. Not a confident. Crypticon, no, but I mean, well, okay, yes, they do. You can't go more than 24 hours without restart, or 12 hours without restarting the stream. It's not that I'm uh, cutting for that reason. It's just, you know, when I say I'll continue trading, it means I'll continue trading as time allows. I will, but I'll be, you know, doing other stuff as well. I won't be sitting here staring at the chart 100% because I got a couple other things to do as well today. Oh, popping up here, so we got down to 39.91.25. I have done 9-hour streams in the past. I did a 9. I used to do a once a month overnight stream, and then I used to do FOMC all day from until after the FOMC meeting. Yes, Busy, you still get funded as long as you didn't break any rules. You would get funded. You can, you know, you could get it all in one day. You still need to trade for 7 days, but you know, if you get it all the first day, you can just open and close a micro the rest of the days. They don't care how you get to the profit target as long as you don't hit the drawdown. Hey, PJRYT. Oh, that's it. Okay, so how did you come up with that username? I'm not much of a guru anymore there because I'm kind of out of the loop on beer money. Not really out of the loop, but I just don't pay as much attention to it anymore. Yeah, I know who you are. Well, I figured who you are. I mean, it was a good guess. Up, right back down. Up, down. 39.91 our new low. This has been a big drop. I mean, this is like it's got a high of 40.40. We're down to almost 90. It's a 50-point drop on this trading day. Market is dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Oh wow, good. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, I've had a couple people tell me that. It just I never realized that those posts that I started doing, on Reddit would ever be that influential. It makes me, it does make me feel good. And even if I become a $1 million trader or whatever, I don't think I'll ever abandon the beer money community over there and Reddit. I've even thought about trying to start a website at some point in time in the future to, review sites and find like, a good quality 10, 20 people that want to maybe write about and do reviews and stuff like that to really help people find sites that can help them out. Well, before all that, I need a website for MightyOxTrading. And like I said, I haven't built a website in like 20 years. So when I try to design a website, it looks like something from the turn of the century GeoCities. Probably people don't even remember GeoCities. That's a great entry, chef. Great entry. It's about 45 minutes from the bell. We should see Ace rolling in here soon. So anyway, I'm gonna just call you PJ here. Always feel free to fire any questions off. For those unaware, PJ and I go way back. I helped him get started in beer money a while back while he was looking for some extra money. Well, I believe he was still going to the university. And we lost touch for a couple years, and now he's looking at getting into trading. He knows nothing about trading, nothing, but he's thinking about getting started. as we continue to just grind down. Now, of course, when we're trending, I don't get. I mean, unless it pulls back to the 20, I don't get entries. So this would have been a possible entry, like I said, based on that little bounce. But so I'm just watching and waiting to see if I get any additional entries. 988 bounce. I just got down to 89. AG. Trying again. Appreciate that, G. Yes, if everyone wouldn't mind hitting that like button. Continues to feed that ever hungry YouTube algorithm so the stream gets promoted. A scriptwriter. Channels are recovering a little bit from the mass exodus we saw a couple days ago. There we go, down to 39.87. We just keep on dropping. All right, Gardner. I mean, we just moved down 12 points in 12 points in 30 minutes. I don't really consider that chop. Morning, Ace. Sounds good. I don't know. Maybe. I mean, we're already pretty extended to the downside, but right now it's definitely been a downward day. No trolls this morning, Ace. And only one yesterday. I believe we've taken out the trash. uh, yep, TJ. No, see, PJ, you missed you missed all that drama. There was a bunch of people that just like to make flatulence and masturbation jokes, and I finally told them to stop it, and then that made me the rude person. So now they're going on the other streams and trying to ruin my name there, saying I'm rude and horrible and just a losing trader and all this stuff. Whatever. So yeah, like it was Monday, like 30 people unsubbed, but I really believe it's probably like more like 5 people that have multiple IDs. Yeah, it was weird. I mean, people were names I'd never seen before were coming on and saying they're unsubscribing. It's like I've never seen you before anyway, so what do I care? Ace, I've told you before, stop tickling the other chatters. So it seemed to be just kind of leveling out here. This is about the level that Ace, I mean not Ace, Chef, sorry, Chef said. uh, so we're kind of consolidating here at 39.89. Remember, folks, pass or cancel day for one of my Apex accounts, shooting for $1,500. So I'm rolling with 5 contracts. Unless it just goes down all day, it doesn't ever give me another opportunity to enter. Yep, we are nearing the top of the hour. Crude energies markets open then. Restart my binarial beats. I have no idea. Never figured out if I'm saying that right. Binaural, something like that. Right, CBR, and that's what that group. They used to be in here complaining about Weenie, complaining about another channel. They just channel hop, and like, it's like I said before, it's weird because they all came in together and they would all leave together. Yep, I bought a small package of them, and I usually start off the day with anxiety release and go to flow state and Zen focus. Oh, welcome back, chef. Yeah, I remember that. And you know what? I mean, up until this, I mean, you know, it's whatever at this point. I got a CBR got a hotkey ban button. It's called Ace. We are just hanging on 39.88 now. You can see how we're kind of squeezing. I expect to move up. I mean, I don't think there is a hotkey for YouTube. I'm meaning to set up some hotkeys for OBS. I mean, well, Streamlabs. Oh yeah, I know, and I absolutely appreciate that. And I mean, I hate that what happened happened, but I mean, it happened. So am I gonna? I asked nicely, and all I did, matter of fact, I didn't even really make a comment about it. I would just start hiding the comments that I didn't like. I didn't really talk about it much, and they kept doing it. I think there's just a thing that when the streamer says stop, stop. They were trying to antagonize. So, eventually it just I felt it was affecting the quality of the stream. All I did was hide comments, and then suddenly I became the rude person, whatever. So it's whatever. They decided to leave. They're gone. You know, I liked them. I really do. Whoever they were, I still don't know whether it was. I still think it's weird the way they seem to travel in a pack, go from stream to stream. Seems like they do that all day. They go from beginner trader to me to Weenie to Trader TV Live. I've seen them elsewhere too. But whatever, I never had a big problem with them. I definitely appreciated the support. But once they started getting a little out of hand, I mean, like I said, I tried to start ignoring it and just quickly. Let's see, that was a potential entry there. But once they started, I was considered the rude one when I was hiding their comments that I didn't feel I wanted in my stream. Yep. Chef, I think Ace is making his kids breakfast now. PJ, I'm all for free speech, but not in my stream. I mean, it just I have no problem. Just they were getting out of hand. RJ. Yes, I do. Ace, don't ban him. I know him. Like I said, he's a friend. Gotta remember, I got mods that are fiercely loyal that will time you out. So we're up there like over 40 people here. Thank you. Welcome. We did pass the top of the hour. That was a little bop up there and then came back down. This probably could have been an entry. We'll see if it goes down. What did crude do at its ooh, crude blowing up there. Crude market opened. Crude blowing up to 80.48. By Travis. What'd you do over at what'd you do there, RJ? Hey, have fees? Oh yeah, there we go. Nice move down. Yeah, I see that. That would have been. In fact, that time that you just pointed out, Dakota, would have been my entry as well, based on my strat. Oh wow. Wait, why were you there? Was I not streaming that day, or was he streaming at a different time than I normally do? Are you cheating on me, RJ? Nice, Dakota. Great job. Uh, no, it's probably not the best way. It's just the only thing I could get free that had everything in one place, PJ. Uh, oh wow, I didn't realize he streamed that long. PJ, the best way, I mean, that course I send you is because you're an absolute beginner, don't know anything about trading, you don't know probably don't know what a tick or a point or anything like that is. So that's going to cover the absolute early basics. 25 minutes to the bell. back up to the EMA. Here's a move to the upside. It's an upside move. So got down to 39.85 half. That's our low today. Yep, John. No news today. Bunch of news tomorrow. Canadian interest rates and crude oil inventories is all we have today. So quick pop up here by 5. Quick move up. 2-minute move, 5 points. How's the trading in the algo doing there, John? John do 4. Eh, 137 isn't bad. Welcome back, I'm mad. I've taken 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser. Down 50 bucks. You missed some talk about trolls. You missed Dakota taking a winner. About it. I'm at CFT's. I don't think ever coming back. He's left every Discord, etc. Yeah, I just see that dip from gold. Oh, gold's still dipping. Yeah, big dip down gold. Canadian futures trader mod. I don't know. Where have you been, RJ? We've been talking about CFT for the last week. No, CFT decided to just go silent besides his videos at the end of October, and now and he's gone totally rogue. He's become kind of a jerk. He's constantly bragging about his cars, his condo, and stuff, bagging on micro traders, bagging on people who use algos, just trying to antagonize everybody. And then he was still in my Discord. He was still in the Earn to Trade Discord, but he wasn't posting at all. And then the other day, he left the Discord, all the Discords. He unfollowed me on Twitter. He unfollowed Burl on Twitter. I call a spade, The Wire, and I would tell him that to his face. I'm not calling him a jerk. I'm saying his actions have been jerk-like. That guy helped me out a lot. So no, I don't think bad of him. I still think of him as a friend, even though I have not been able to talk to him. I miss my friend. Said that over and over again. But he started acting like a jerk, and I will call that out, and I'll tell him to his face if I had that opportunity. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, he's helped me out immensely. This channel would not be where it was without him. I miss him. I miss talking to him. I considered him a good friend. I mean, yeah, obviously we never met, and this is a trigger candle, but I'm not going to take it. I should, but I'm not. But anyway, I consider him a good friend. I considered him a good friend, and I miss him. He helped me out so much. Well, RJ, you could drive over to Montreal and look for the Goblin Green Jeep he drives. Good luck, JC. Thought we might bounce here, which is why I didn't take that. I don't think he blew up. He's constantly he's still doing videos showing his trades. You don't buy a $1.2 million condo just on affiliate income. I know. See, I'm constantly defending CFT. People are saying he's a charlatan. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that word right. People saying that all his money comes from affiliate income, and you know that's totally not true. And I will continue to defend CFT even as he continues to seem like he wants to try to piss people off. Yeah, he did, but I don't think he was that wealthy. I could be wrong. I mean, I don't know his. I mean, I know he had crypto. Definitely, he said about the money he lost in the FTX thing, but he still had like I think like half a million in crypto. But still, I mean, when he says he didn't have to work, he means he was working for himself. He was a consultant. I don't know exactly in what, but he was a CFO for some company or something somewhere for a while, and then he went into his own consulting business, consulting kind of freelance type of deal, I guess. So when he says he didn't have to work, it just means he didn't have to work for somebody else. He was working just freelance, consulting sort of freelancing. I don't care. Like I said, I would say what I said to his face. Again, I really believe he knows how to trade. His, the, trust me. Like I said, I know the man. Or let me put it this way: at least I feel I know the man, and I've seen his heart, the things he did for me to help me, and I don't believe he's faking any of his trading. I don't believe he's faking any of that. Have I been wrong about people before? Sure, but that's just my feeling, and that's why. I mean, yes, like I said, I don't consider him a jerk. I'm saying his actions lately have been jerk-like, and not jerk chicken either. Actually, I don't even know what jerk chicken is. We're hanging on this EMA here as we're closing in on the bell. Anything I say here, I would say to CFT himself. And if I ever started acting that way, I would hope someone I respect told me. Well, yeah, but he didn't do that for the first 2 years. He didn't do that for the first 2 years he had his channel. I just don't understand it. Like I don't understand why he suddenly decided to buy subscribers. That one really is the one that really gets me. He went off when Trades by Matt did that. He's the one that you know exposed Trades by Matt that he was doing that, and now he goes and buys like 20,000 subscribers, and that I don't understand at all. Excellent, JC. So 6E actually gave you back at you. I know you and 6E was doing some having some relationship issues. So that said, we'll probably put the whole CFT talk out the pasture. I really, really want to start making this a positive vibes, positive thinking area where we're not dealing with the negativity that can bring us all down and not even realize it can affect our trading without even not realizing that it does. I think we need to start looking more at positivity. If you don't like it, the wire, you can leave. Thing is, nothing I said is bashing CFT, and I'm here defending him to someone I respect. RJ has his opinion, and I'm giving my opinion back that I don't believe that that's what CFT is. And me and RJ can have a respectful disagreement and not hate each other. And so I've spent a lot of time defending CFT to people, stuff you don't even see in the back end of my Discord to certain people. And like I said, CFT could go full rogue and just become an absolute whatever, and I would still consider him a friend. So, but some of his tweets are, and some of the messages he's put out are just, it's stuff he went against, you know, just 6 months ago. Oh yeah, and I totally understand your perspective, RJ, and that's why I said you and I can disagree, and I think we're not going to lose respect for one another. At least I don't think so. I mean, I can't speak for you. Be careful. Those people on Craigslist are dangerous sometimes. Crypticon. Somebody asked, Hassan. I always ask. Thanks, G. Gotta always love when you hear airworthiness directive. It's like how many have they been flying that's not airworthy? Yes, Austin. Yes, I am. RJ's trading a real account. Ace trading real account. Mr. Dre's trading real account. Uh, Not sure who else is trading evals versus live sims versus lives. I think JC. I don't remember JC. Dakota, I believe, is trading a real account. Morning, Avi. Austin, I was on ShareVision, and they stopped paying me, and they owe me about $2,000. Yep, Sid's trading a real account. There's a lot of real accounts in here, G-Man. Please, why would you wait? What, RJ? We are about 2 minutes from the open. Okay. Can you hear me now, G-Man? Great job, Gardner. Hope you. So we're ready for the open. I'm still about $1,500 away from my target today. We're gonna get it. I don't know. We've been choppy here since that big burst there. And 20 seconds. 20 seconds till we ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling, as they say. Not sure who they are, but whatever. Yes, you did, Ace. I mean, why do I keep calling you Ace, Chef? Sorry. Yes, you did, Chef. Back down. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh. Let's get ready to rumble. So quick first down to 84.25, new low of the day. And also, Chef, you're usually not here this early. So down to 84, back up to 87. G-Man going long at 85. First down into the vans. Quick first down to 83 half. Actually down to 83 quarter. Bouncing back. Back up to 85. UB. Oh yeah, there's a pop up on UB by 8 ticks. Continuing down. 81. So this would have been a good trigger right before the bell as we're continuing to roll down. Right there, boom, that would have been easy 2 points, even way more than 2. Down to 80. Possible overextension to the downside. Trying to pop again. Like we did last summer. Excellent job, Austin. Big bounce here. I like big bounces and I cannot lie. These other oxes can't deny. So back up to the EMA. Touching 86. And getting scared away from it. For a bearish engulfing here. Yep, strong move. I was going to take that, but ended up being a stronger move on this candle, so I don't necessarily trust it. Yeah, but it's got 40 seconds on this candle yet, so maybe. It touched EMA. Maybe it was bigger wick than body. If I had entered on at the start of that candle, I would have got my 2 points. No, I'm not, Austin. If I was in a trade, I would have my NinjaTrader window up. I'm just charting for now. Excellent, G-Man. Another bounce off that EMA. Not much, Burl. You missed the bell. Gold rising back up. Okay, so there we bounced off of 80 back up to 89. Good job, G-Man, as usual. Sometimes way more than that, JC. Coming back down. Nope. Bounced off that EMA again. Yeah. Nope, bouncing up, down. It can't decide what it wants to do. Ooh, big boom. I like big booms too. Wow, definite big booms. Broke the 100. You can see it broke the 100 multiple times though and it failed. So let's see whether or not can hold. Technically, this would be a trigger candle for me, but I don't like big candles that are triggers. But well, up another point and a half. Remember, guys, I'm looking for good entries. Trying to get 1500 today to pass this eval. So I'm going 5 contracts when I enter. Looks like a reversal. $50K. I need to pass or cancel it today, Austin. Rejecting back down. So I was right. It was a reversal so far. Let's see if it can go back under that 100. Nope, coming back up. Yeah, excellent, chef. You're cooking up some goodness today. Maybe it bounced back up. Maybe that's the dip. Dip, 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 dip. Yeah, that'd be excellent, Burl. Nope, now we're down again. Harder to read today, harder to read. Is there anything I do better at the afternoons or late mornings, early afternoons than I do this time of day? There we go. Sitting on that. Sitting on that EMA. Watching time slip away. Remember, we had Bank of Canada rate decision coming up in 15 minutes. I don't remember how much that moves the market, but I'm thinking it does. Why? Oh, there's a move down. YM's taking off. Up to 33,620. Opened at 35,520, so about 100 points. Ooh, I like that wick for a possible buy. But yeah, it's below the 100. I don't know. Think it's time to maybe, I mean, yeah, be very careful. A lot of people start green and then red, so know your limits. It's my ATR. Ah, let's see the ATR. I don't know. Watching. Yeah, there we go. Nope, crawls back up. Crawling back down. Like that wick. I'm short here. Might be a mistake. Darn it. I like that wick, but it's going to stop me out. Okay, so now we're down big today. And now it's less likely that we'll pass this today. So I was feeling good. Now, nope, not going to work. So it was a good effort, but right back down. Another trigger candle down. Not taking it. This was my entry, and I didn't take it. I said that was a reversal, and I didn't take it. That looks exactly like. Oh, I saw something. Yeah, here. There it comes down. So that was the second pass. And again, this is exactly what happened to me earlier when I took the loss. The second pass worked. And I got to remember that. I shouldn't say it worked yet. I don't know. Yeah, it did. Yeah. So that worked. That didn't. Second pass usually works. I mean, it's going 2 points. Maybe I gave it its purple too soon because with one tick of slippage, it would not have worked. We'll see. We shall see. Ace, that's negative. Oh, I forgot the negative sign. Sorry. Hello, freighter. That's okay. I'm trading 5 contracts at a time, so that's just one trade. I was trading 10 yesterday afternoon when I did so well. So Bank of Canada rate decision 9 minutes away. We'll see where we go. See if RJ's bank decides to ruin us. I was going to go short here. Did not. Another pop. I think it wants to come down. Maybe retouch 80, but does your wife know Crypticon? Got it, margin calls. Yeah, how about that? I was right. How about that? I said it out loud. See if it goes down to test 3980, and it tested and it blew through the test. But I said it here. It looks like it wants to go down to test 3980. Grr. And wow, big move down. 3976. So coming up on 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock my time, 8 o'clock Ace's time, 7 o'clock G-Man's time.
There's the bounce. Bullish engulfing back up. Guess we just kind of pushing back down. We just watching here, watching here, watching here. Getting beaten back down. Another push. So the move is down. Yep, we're nearing the top of the hour. Bank of Canada. Let's see what it does. Trading day started yesterday at 6 p.m. Eastern. The market has dropped 70 points. Yes. Burl, were you still looking for a big fall? I know the other day you were hoping for a big fall. Nice, you're killing it today on 60 JC. Wow, chef, beautiful. Everyone's kicking some butt here today, except for the great and mighty Ox. Yep, ready for news, ready for the Bank of Canada in less than a minute. We'll see what those Canadians have in store for us. Anyone that loses money can blame RJ. And John DeFore, he's Canadian too. Great job, Borneo. See you tomorrow. Yep, not much movement here. Yeah, I didn't expect a big move or anything. Let's see what the numbers are. Probably 4.25, which is what they expected. Yep, 4.5% for BOC rate decision, which was the forecast. Doesn't even look like, yep, so it didn't move anything. I mean, we made a new low, 39.69. Y'all from a sneeze of doom. So moving back up a little bit here, but yeah, nothing, definitely nothing earth shattering there. Canada let us down. No, kidding. Blame Canada. So NQ, what Chef's been doing all day. Chef's been playing everything. UB, YM, NQ. Just take any hogs trades today, Chef. See the same moves there on NQ basically. So not much moving here. So now let's see if it finds footing after this news. Meanwhile, I did not have breakfast today, so I'm going to have an egg here in a minute. Continuing to drop, or trying to drop. 69s are low. Nice. Yep. Still hanging here. Are we bear flagging to move down further? Or have we found the low and are we going to move up? Or are we going to sit here the rest of the day at this level? Probably not that option, but hey. Marco will probably try and screw me out of this Apex win. I'm eating a hard-boiled egg here in a minute after I take the shell off. So if you hear me start choking, it's because of the yolk. I appreciate if someone would give me the Heimlich. Popping up to 74. Is it going to tickle the EMA? Is it an EMA tickler? What's UB doing? Oh, UB rising up to the occasion. Let's look at it on the big chart. High day. I need to move the yellow line. 143.31. Crude's all over the place. Crude actually just made a new daily low. It's back under 80. Hopefully it means, ooh, big burst here. I like big bursts and I cannot lie. I said that already, didn't I? I'm repeating content. Wow, huge burst. 7-point candle here. Are we seeing a early reversal? Back up to that 100. Remember, it's failed to break it multiple times. I mean, it's broken it, but failed to hold it. Each time it's reversed. There, 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 there. And we are again touching, but let's see where we go. Earlier, G-Man said buy the dip. This was a big dip. Let's see if it wants to go up or down now. Up or down. I do like a good ranch dip. Fortunately, ranch, almost all ranch now has soybean oil in it, so I no longer eat ranch. Think it's going back up to 88, Chef? Oh, oh, we actually did get up to 88. Oh, yeah, 80 got up to 86. Nice, JC. You're having a great day. Dakota, how's your day going? Haven't heard much from you today. So I was thinking about taking a short after that huge candle, and it's fallen back by 4.
First time I doubled my size, I got high blood pressure and diabetes.
Coming back down to the EMA. So as it crawls down here,
Looking to see whether or not it tries to bounce. Looking for the first green candle that engulfs the red candle, and I may take a long if it does. Like right there. That's a 2-point candle. Now it's wicking back down. 20 seconds on it. Giving back. Half body, half wick now. So now I don't trust it. It's no longer engulfing. No, don't trust it. Hear the train coming.
if Ace is listening, he likes that sound.
So big candle up and faded back down. Double mint gum. Now here we go. It dipped and now coming back above. Let's see where this finishes. Yep. Bigger wick than body. Try to come back down. It's indecisive here at 39.80. Really can't decide what it wants to do here. Down. It decided down. Wow, big down. Darn it. So that's technically a trigger candle. I didn't trust it, and it would have bit me if with a 2-point stop. And I might need to go to a 3-point stop here, which I really don't want to do. But a 3-point stop there would have kept me in the game, and it would have been a good game. 45 minutes to go, so it doesn't look like I'm going to pass the apex on stream unless I get really lucky here. This is technically a trigger candle, but again, it's a large trigger candle. Yeah, I'm second guessing myself a lot here too.
But I'm taking the short. Ah, come on. There we go. Target hit. Trailing with one. Out.
No idea. Hold on, I'll tell you what I made in a minute. Only down $100 now, so that was a $450 winner.
So back in the saddle.
So that's how quick that trade lasted all of. I'll tell you in a minute. That trade lasted all of 26 seconds. So $450 in 26 seconds. That's a good hourly rate, I think. Oops. Okay. Chef is liking some YM. Its chart looks exactly like ES, so I did. And I got out right at the right time too, popping right back up. It did not give much at all there, but just enough. Just enough to make me a happy ox. But look at this quick bounce. Oh yeah, no, I have gone back and forth on when I wanted to do ES or YM. I do like. I mean, I've looked at YM. Every time it tries to pop up here, it's getting beaten back down. And this is another trigger candle back down. I don't know if I want to trust the second one. Actually, the third one, but you know. Nope. Not. Did not trigger back down. Yep, if you're enjoying the stream, folks, as Ace just reminded us, you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button, I would appreciate it. Let everyone know you like the stream. You really, really like the stream. If you don't like the stream, that's fine too. Oh, back down. Like that. That's a good trigger candle down. And I'm taking the short again. Nope, that one's gonna bite me. So I'm going up and down. Darn it! No, it's trying again. Oh, not. We'll wait. So I'm back down to being down like the 600. So doesn't look like it's gonna happen today, folks. I got to pass. See, I got to pass today, so I can't really size down. I was using 10 contracts yesterday. But it would have worked, RJ, with a bigger stop. Yeah, I'm only going for two, and right there's two. That would have worked. The trigger candles work if I take them, but that's been my problem, RJ, is not taking trades. The only reason this didn't work is because I didn't, it backlashed to him. I mean, matter of fact, the only reason it didn't work is because I got in late. It top ticked me. My problem usually is not taking the trades. Just that one ended up going up before going down. That one would have worked. Right. I mean, yeah, I could go back down to one contract, and that I could win 20 trades in a row, and well, okay, I could win 10 trades in a row, and I still wouldn't be where I need to be to pass, and I'll run out of time. Yeah, with NQ, I'm gonna need at least a 10-point stop, and that's a $200 risk per contract. Uh, yeah. Yeah, normally I'm one contract. You all know that. Oh, sorry guys, my chart's blocking my chart. That's why I hate trading off of NinjaTrader. So my entry, I was right. This candle was right. It worked. It just, I didn't give it enough room. Somewhere Jason is laughing at me. $15 is a long time. Uh, I'm back down to 58.31. I need 20. I'm back to needing $2,200. So this is not gonna happen. But three. I would need 7 ticks, JC, I believe, approximately 7 to 8 ticks on UB. But I don't know UB that well. I mean, I can follow my plan. I hear it's coming down to the 100. I'm not in long enough to add to the winner though, Chef. I'm in and out. This is breaking. Breaking up is hard to do.
be? UV or not the UV? That is the question.
Sitting on the 100. ES sitting there at 39.74. That would have been a nice rise on UV. This bounce, that was a perfect bounce there for 17 up to 21. Would have been a good 4-tick bounce. ES popping back up to its EMA. So they're trying another attempt to pop up here. And rejecting. Red candle rejection possibly. 28 seconds to find out. There we go. Short. Giving it a little bit more room this time. Oops. Lost my chart. There it is. I gave it a little 2 extra ticks of room. And that's gonna bite me big. Come on, come down for me, baby. Yeah, come on, come on. And okay, so I'm still in now because of that 2 extra ticks. Whether or not I end up getting nailed here, I'm sitting above the EMA, the 20. But it looks like it wants to bounce up. Yep, knocked me out. So I really thought I had this today, but not to be. And right back down. So, eh, is what it is. I got the other Apex eval. We'll get it on that one.
Crude oil inventories. Yeah, crude started going all wonky. Wonky. Trading term. 4 points up. Probably shouldn't have been messing with it there. Whatever. Back above 80 on crude. So. Yeah, it's trying to come back down again. Do I trust it? I think I got one more trade before I hit drawdown. Short again. Yeah, I've been going short. Chef, that has not been working so far. Short again. That's my strategy, Chef. Come on. Nope. Nope, does not want to go lower here. Oh, maybe. Come on. Ah, bouncing. Darn. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Hit my target. There we go. Still in. And out. So, fighting back. Got 2 points and 2 points and 1 point. It's continuing to go. Not out of it yet. Darn. So there, I was keeping my runner too close. If I didn't have my runner too close, I could have got an extra couple of $100 out of that. But we're still 2,400 away from target now. So climbing back up a little bit. Oh, rising right up. So boom down to 68, slightly new low of the day. Trying another short here. Not breaking. Come on, baby. Come on. There. Boom. Out again. Boom.
Now only down 325 on the day. Back up over 51,000 in the account, needing less than 2,000 on the profit. Sorry, thought it showed. It didn't show. There it is. You can see it. Letting it run bigger would be ideal, but nice glitch. Continuing down to the downside.
Well, that made no sense. Down to the downside? Really? How are you going to go down to the upside?
And saw that 615 break at the same time that Chef mentioned.
The downside. Word.
So I need 4 good trades.
I just don't know.
That was, yeah, I took that trade mainly because of you, Chef. I mean, I saw the way it was moving as well on the bands, but I had you in mind. That was not one of my normal, trades to take. Dow cratered. Yep, big cratering.
Hold on one second. $39.65. $39.65. Dropping lower here. We're dropping like it's hot. $39.64. So again, this trigger was a good trigger. That's what I mean. I still believe in my strat. Some people say it doesn't work, but it does, in my opinion. That one worked. That one didn't, only because it wicked up. That bouncing a bit. Doing Uber.
Rising up to 39.69. $42.28. We're rising back up. All right, Chef.
So nice move back up.
Hit a low of, was it 65, 63. Back up to 72. We're trying to reject off that EMA again, though. $39.71. Breaking the. Nope. Just looking short at this point. See if we engulf here. We do. 45 seconds on this candle. See if it continues to show downward momentum. Nope. Back to green. Back to green. Rising up. Yep. So not coming down. See, before I went to the 100 EMA strategy, I would have taken this as a long. And actually, that one would have worked as a long. That one would have worked as a long. That one, That one would have worked for 2 points as well, barely, assuming I got no slippage. This one actually would have worked as well. So sometimes this strategy can kind of, you know, but on good trend days, it's better to just take the direction of the trend. Now this is looking like another reversal. Topping tail wick coming back down red. But so far, nope. Maybe. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Not yet. Not yet. Taking a short here. Give me a second. Can't find my software. Can't find my chart. Did not break the EMA, so I'm watching this. Nope. Trying. Break that EMA for me. Nope. Yep. Take the loss there. So I tried something there that I should not have tried. It was against my plan, but that big wick there, I thought we might get it moved it back to the downside. So that was stupid of me. And now it's starting. Now we got another trigger candle. And by the way, the reason that didn't work was because I hesitated. I got in a full point late on that. Looks like I'm late now. Entering again. Nice, chef. There we go. Up. Broke, but not. If I'd gotten in at the right time, I would already be in profit. There we go. Still got my trail. So I keep doing one step forward, one step back out. That trail has not been working. I think I'm giving back more than I'm getting out of that. So we're right back to where we were, 375 down. So if I was stupid, I should have waited for my trigger, and I would have not taken that loss, and I would have been back in the green on the day. That's what I get when I start getting antsy and try and force things. Don't force it. That worked. It earned its purple. By the way, this would have been another good trigger candle right there. You can see came up, touched, and then the big wick down, and that would have also been good.
Having a little bit of issues again. Hit that live button to get back to the live broadcast. Now it's getting no data at all. Yay! Hit the live button. I'm checking to see whether this is YouTube or me. Now it says back to excellent. Now it's swirling again. Yeah, I got no upload speed. My upload speed is 0.1 mega Mbps. Now it's starting to come back. Gotta love Comcast. Pop back up. Oh, not. Mm. My internet's gonna go down. I'm only getting two. There we go. Okay, maybe now it's coming back again. I was only getting 2 megabytes per second down for a second there. Okay, I think maybe we're coming back. I think we're back. Or not. Popping back up. So actually, both right now, both sides are actually working. Up, up, up for 2 points each way. But now we put in higher lows. Oh yeah, nice move down there. Yep, you're right, Chef. Actually, I mean, when we first started talking about it, we were about here. This would have, I mean, on my strategy, this would have been my entry right here. And it's gone a full half a point plus. Yep, we're coming back up to the 100 EMA. Also coming up to the top of the hour. I think the stream has stabilized. That's the word. Now you see how many times it's failed to break this 100 as it's touched it. Back to the 100 again, not breaking it. We'll hang here for just a couple more minutes. Last chance to hit that like button if you feel like hitting the like button. Sitting here, 39.77. The 200, well above. Hasn't even come close to touching the 200 EMA. Just watching here. If this breaks the 100, you might see it move up. That's what it seems like it's fixing to try and do. Take another shot there. Oh, big move above the 100. Back up to 39.79. Pulling back. Nope. Back under. Wants to try again. Ah, there goes my internet again. Thank you, internet.
trying. Above the EMA.
But I'm not sure. There's 100 EMA, but I'm not sure it's going to stay there.
Not moving fast. Okay. And maybe another rejection here. Okay. Buyers come in. I think there's still going to be a red candle, but barely. Taking the short, trying this here. Yep. That was a mistake. Not in my plan, but at this point I'm YOLOing anyway, so we'll try something. Last trade of the stream, though. Nope, that didn't work. I thought we were, yeah. Nope, that didn't. He. Yep, that didn't work. So I thought it was gonna reject off that 100. So, okay, guys, that's it for today. Did not pass Apex. We'll continue to try here as time allows me to in the afternoon, but I'll let you know via Twitter, Discord, or the stream tomorrow whether or not it worked. Not holding out much hope. It was fun to try, though. I'm glad you all were here for me. I'll be back here tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you, everyone, for joining me today, and we'll talk tomorrow. Oh, Linda C. I just saw you subscribed. Thank you for being here. Sorry I'm kind of leaving the stream just as you subscribed. Hope you'll join me tomorrow. Welcome to the herd. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.